Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act of 2024, which aims to prevent the unfair means in public examinations and common entrance tests held across the country, came into effect on a Friday late evening. This comes amid the massive row that has been erupted over the alleged malpractices in conducting the NEET and UGC NET examinations. A Gazette notification issued by the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pension said that in exercise of the powers conferred by the subsection 2 of the section 1 of the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024, the central government hereby appoints the 21st day of June 2024 as the date on which the provisions of the said act shall come into the force. The bill was passed by the two houses of the parliament in the budget session that was held during the February 10 of this year. It seeks to prevent the use of unfair means in the public examinations and bring greater transparency, fairness and credibility in the entire process. On February 13, President Draupadi Murmu gave her nod to the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Bill 2024, which aims to check cheating in government recruitment exams. The public examinations in the Act refer to examinations conducted by the authorities notified by central government. These include the Indian Public Services Commission, the UPSC, Staff Selection Commission, the SSC, Railway Recruitment Board, RRB, National Testing Agency, the NTA, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, the IBPS, and the departments of the central government and their attached offices for the recruitment. The Act also prohibits disclosing exam-related confidential information before the time and unauthorized people from entering the exam centers to create disruptions. The offences will be punishable with imprisonment between 3 to 5 years and a fine up to 10 lakh rupees. All offences under the bill will be cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable. The NEET UG 2024 exam was conducted on May 5 and its results were declared on June 4 ahead of its scheduled announcement dated June 14. The NEET UG examination conducted by the NTA, the National Testing Agency, paves way for the admission to the MBBS course, BDS, Ayush and other related courses in the government and private institutions across the country. On June 13, the NTA, the National Testing Agency, informed the Supreme Court that the scorecard of 1,563 candidates who were awarded the grace marks in the NEET UG 2024 exam would be cancelled, and all these candidates, the 1,563 candidates, would have an option to reappear for the exam on June 23rd, the results of which will be declared from before June 3 or forego the compensatory marks given to them for the loss of time. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.